Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create a bedtime shortcut. When I'm going to sleep, I hate silence. I love to fall asleep to some nice soothing sounds, maybe the rainforest or ocean sounds or even white noise. And if you want to do that too, creating a shortcut can be really helpful. First, let's go ahead into our clock. Make sure you're on timer, and under when timer ends, swipe all the way to the bottom and change it to stop playing. So what's going to happen is when we set a timer, as soon as that timer is done, it's going to stop any audio that's coming out. So that way it's not playing the entire night through while we're asleep. Next, we need to find some soothing sounds to play. Now for this, if you'd rather fall asleep to some of your own music or whatever you'd like, you can do that too. For this video though, we're just going to go ahead and do rain sounds. So we'll search rain sounds. I found one under here called Majestic Rain with Thunder Cracks, and I've already downloaded it to my device. Now we're going to go into the Shortcuts application. Create shortcut. And first thing that we want to do is set a timer. And this is going to be dependent on how long it takes you to fall asleep. For me, it's typically an hour. Next, we're going to set the volume, because in case we were rocking out earlier, we don't want to blow out our eardrums when we set this shortcut. I usually stick to about 35%. And then finally, we need something to play. So we'll hit play music down here and select our song. And hit the plus sign. Under show more, we have shuffle. We're going to turn that off, and repeat. We're going to do 1. So that means that throughout the night for this hour, it's going to repeat these same soothing rain sounds. Now you want to play with these settings for yourself depending on what type of audio you're choosing. If it's music, you obviously don't have the same song playing over and over, unless it's All Star by Smash Mouth. Go ahead and hit next, and let's pick a shortcut name. We're going to call it bedtime. Now, if we want to edit a couple more things, we can hit this. We already have bedtime on there. Let's change our icon. Let's pick a nice soft color and maybe an icon that's fitting for bedtime. Done. And then add to home screen. And now, when we go home, we'll have this new icon here. And what we can do is when it's time for bed, just touch this. You'll see that it set the volume, and the music is now playing, and a timer is set. Now you can sleep peacefully.